chào, bonsoir. Good morning in Vietnam. Okay, today I'm going to make a Vietnamese cabbage salad with chicken meat. So I learned this when I went to Vietnam in 2016 with my sister to learn Vietnamese cooking. So this is one of the many dishes that we learned and I'm going to share it with you. So what do we have for our ingredients? We have shredded cabbage, no? So I use this gadget. It makes life easier. And then you just shred it like this. Okay, easy peasy. So I like my vegetables to be crispy. You can keep that. You can drain. You can put that in a bowl of cold water, or you can add ice cubes also. So I'm going to let it stand there, so that before I use it later, it's going to be crispy. So I'm going to leave it there for a while. And then the main ingredient is cabbage. If you know me, I like to put a little more. As I said, there is no hard and fast rule in cooking. So whatever you feel like doing, whatever you want to put in your salad, please go ahead. Go girl, you can do it. So what I'm going to put is some of the greens. Remember the Japanese greens that I love. So I'm going to add this also. It's kind of withered, but I will give life to this by putting it in this bowl of ice cold water. So I'll just keep it there for a while. Okay. Add some life to it. And then I want to put another color in my salad. So this is violet cabbage. So I'm going to add this violet cabbage and these carrots. That's Rachel. Hey Rachel, she's my chef. She prepares some of the ingredients beforehand. So she's very helpful to me. So she's going to shred the carrots. We have this shredder, very unique. It's a peeler and at the same time, it's a shredder. So, can you show them, Rach? It's going to peel it. No, shred it. Okay. Alright, so, it comes out like this, shredded. Okay. Go, Rach. I'm going to shred this. Okay. There. I'm going to add it in my salad. Okay, look, that's the shredded carrot. So we're gonna put that on. Alright, here are the other ingredients for the salad. So I have my fresh basil from the garden and fresh mint. So earlier, nawala na sila ng buhay. So I have to put them in a bowl of cold water to give life. Look, they're so alive now. Even my mint. Okay. And then we have crispy onions. So what we did was we sliced the onions and then just drizzle a little flour or cornstarch. Cornstarch will make it crispier. And then you just fry it until it's crispy because we will use this as for topping later. And I also like to add another color. So this is using the sweet Rachel, ano ganini? This one? Sugar beets. Sugar beets, sorry. So I boiled one. I actually asked Rachel to boil it for me. And then just 1/4 of it, and then we shredded it also into pieces like this. So This will also add another color in your salad. So it will make it beautiful. And of course, another topping will be chopped peanuts. So you can use peanuts with balat, or you want to use white peanuts, roasted, salted, whatever peanuts you have, you can use it. So, you know me, when I do my salad, I just put everything together. Whatever is in the ref, whatever is in the pantry, if I can use it, I'll put it. We will make the dressing. The dressing also is very light, and it's easy to make. The ingredients are very easy to find. So first and foremost, lemon juice. So, ayan, I also asked Rachel to already squeeze the juice from the lemon. So, I will put about 2 tablespoons, or I'll make it 3 na lang. So, you can add, I'll make it 4 para mas marami. And then, lemon juice. We need to add white sugar. So, about 2 tablespoons. And there you go. And white vinegar. So, since I put in 4 tablespoons of lemon, I'm also going to put 4 tablespoons of white vinegar. 2, 3, 4. So, if you have plenty of sauce or the dressing, you can use it also next time in your other salad. It's very versatile. And my pink salt. So, about a teaspoon. There. And also white pepper. So, if you say, ay, wala akong white pepper, black pepper, yes, pwedeng. Wala namang ano dun, wala namang masama. Okay lang yun. So, okay, what we'll do is we'll just mix it all together. Alright, there you go. So, everything is mixed together. The lemon, the white vinegar, salt and pepper, sugar. Very easy. We boiled chicken breast. So just boil it with a pinch of salt. And then when it's cooled down, you can shred it like this. No? I need about a cup lang for the salad because I'm not making so much. But if you have a party and all, you can use up everything. So that's about 2 cups. So what we'll do is, we will season this also with the dressing. So I'm going to get about a cup of this shredded chicken. Not too much. And then, we'll put about 2 tablespoons of the prepared dressing. So there you go. You just coat it para lang magkalasa. Remember the veggies? So I'm going to drain the water, and then I'm going to spin it here in the spinner so that the other water will be also removed and it will dry the dishes. No, I'm going to add the chicken, shredded chicken breast in it. And then I'll add more of the herbs. My fresh basil. So I'll pick a few, maybe 6 to 8, 10 leaves. And then I'll just shred it. Cut it into pieces. Oh gosh, it smells so good and so fresh. And then I'll add some mint leaves. Look how alive now. Kanina, it was like dying. So now, it has life. So I'm going to pick also like few of this. See, about 6 to 8, 10 leaves. No? If you want it more minty, then you can add more. But if not, some people, you know, you just have to acquire the taste of this. But, oh, I love the smell. It's a smell of freshness. Mint. So there you go. So what I'll do is I'm going to mix it all up together. Yeah. With the vegetables, the shredded meat, and I will add the shredded beetroots as well. So, there you go. I think my salad is rainbow colored already. And then we top it up with some peanuts. And the crispy onions. So then, that's our Vietnamese cabbage salad with chicken meat. So we will put the dressing later, just before we eat it. Alright, bye!